up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get the cough drop marker. So you see this code right here. Look, look. So we're going to show you how to get this marker, the cough drop. So remember this code. You go. Go to the cave. No, I meant to say the mountain. You have to go inside the mountain. Cough drop marker, by the way. It's in a stream. Now, so you go in here and spell Hill Rock 5 times.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think Hill Rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you could find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that.
Yeah, so you have to type it 3 times, and if that cough drop comes up 3 times, you did it right. So let's do it again. Oh.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
And let's do it again. Oh. Oh shoot! What is happening to my spelling skills right now? And
gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Take the marker. SMH.
And the marker, and you get the marker, and that, yeah. Also, let's look. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how to get the serenity marker. So all you have to do is go diff it. Never mind. This marker. This also you can put in this code, Mr. Marker Maker. That code opens this, and you get the teapot marker, which is I think it's a hard. No, it's an insane. Right? Yeah, it's an insane. But the cough drop marker is harder. I think the cough drop marker is harder, though. None of the markers. I have all of the easy markers, of course, because it's super easy. And I have all of the medium markers. They're pretty easy still. But these two, the popsicle marker, for some reason, look, this marker, and first. And this marker, and I'm going to show you how to get settings marker too. Go to settings and just scroll all the way down. I don't know why this one's a medium. It should be like a hard or a higher. And right here, this button, click it until it gets full or teleports you. And boom. Settings marker. And just if you don't know how to get out, just press this. Anyways, that's all for today. not gonna be posting anything tomorrow because school tomorrow. So, bye.